Let's do some day trading. What's going on, savages? This is Mark, your cryptocurrency guru, and I'm gonna give you a little sneak inside peek to the hood under the car. Alright, so we're gonna do some day trading tips for you. So as you can see, I only have a balance of what's equivalent to $31. Pretty soon you don't have to look at this $31, just look at the coins, because you want to make sure you keep getting more and more Bitcoins. So let's look. I got the mostly pot Bitcoin Gold in here. I remind you, I don't keep a lot of money on the exchange. If you have Coinbase, you'll know that they shut Coinbase down for like 2 or 3 days for maintenance mode, and exchanges can do that. They can shut them down. They can do maintenance mode. They can pause your account. They can do whatever they want, until they feel it's ready to relaunch, and your funds will be locked on the exchange. So I recommend you not keeping a lot of money on exchange if you need it to be liquid, if you got to get to it. Let's jump right in. All right, so you got Potcoin now. I helped one of my first clients invest in Potcoin, and I bought some Potcoin, and it's actually in my wallet. But you can see here, Potcoin's been going up 33%. Bitcoin Gold, I bought Bitcoin Gold when it was its lowest. So even though it says minus 1%, I'm still in the positive because I knew Bitcoin Gold, and there's going to be more forks for Bitcoin. I'm buying them all on the dips, all on the lowest lows. Let's actually go to, this. I want to show you a graph. All right, so you got Potcoin here, last 24-hour volume. Okay, this is actually going to go into my trading course, and this is a key secret right here. I mean, it's not a secret. All right, if you know trading, then you know. Let's learn how to read this graph. Zoom out. Look at that line all the way up there. That shows you either how high Potcoin can go or how high someone bought. It's actually how high someone bought it for. That high. Or actually, let's be clear. Yep, that's a green line. So that's how high someone bought it for. If it's green, it's a buy, red is a sell. So someone bought it that high. You see back here when it first started, and then right here, someone bought it that high, and then someone bought it that high. Okay, so what's going on? Can you kind of see what's going on here? These green lines where they buy, red is where they sell. The white lines. What are those white lines? The white lines down, they call it resistance. People are buying below the average price. Resistance, people are selling below the average price. You can do this too. You can sell below the average price. Check this out. So right here, someone sold it, someone bought it, and someone sold it right there. Even though the price is all the way up here, someone bought it there and someone sold it there. Let's go a little further. Now you see the line's going down. That means the price is coming down. It's the resistance. All these white lines are resistance. Bam, back down. Let's go on top. Up, up, up. All these lines are not showing any resistance, so it's going to go up. So if I analyze Potcoin, most likely it's going to go up to here. So you can put in a sell. Let's see. You could put in a sell right here. So you see how down, down. You could put in a sell right here, or you could put in a sell right here. See that white line there, or that white line there? So you could put in a sell. You could put a sell here, here, here. See that white line? Or let me zoom in a little more. Look at this. See how someone put in a sell right here? Right there. That's where they put their selling at, and it matches that. Someone bought it. This is over a lapse of time. So someone bought it here, and then someone said, you know what, I'm gonna put a sell right here. And let's go back here. You see that little resistance coming down? Someone put this is most likely 1 or 2 people. You really gotta know what you're doing to do this. Now that being said, someone bought it way up here. That means someone said, I'm going to sell mine for this higher price, and someone bought it this high. So these are master lessons right here. This is day trading this is not day trading 101. You know, and then let's go to 30 minutes. Let's go to 1 minute. And let's go in even further. Look at this. Up, 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 up. Little resistance, little resistance. But Potcoin is up. Here goes some resistance right here. This one, this is the most recent up to date 9:42. Actually, it is 10 o'clock, so it's going to update even faster. But yeah, so this is day trading, master day trading lesson that I want to share with my audience. I want y'all to win. You know, the rich don't get richer. Right now, it's the educated. Oh, let's go to this article actually. Now you see how the Feds warn against cryptocurrencies, suggest banks as a solution. Really? The banks? Listen. Right now, the rich, some of the rich is getting richer, but the educated, that's what it's about. The educated will advance. Even if the Feds are dragging their feet, even if the president's staff monitoring cryptocurrencies, what are they doing? They're saying go to the banks. They're saying let's monitor while this is happening. Exchange struggles with massive influx of users. Bitcoin boom draws record. Look at this, Goldman Sachs. They're open to considering Bitcoin trading once currency becomes mainstream, most likely established. See the banks, they're waiting. Look at this guy, Bitcoin, not threat to global economy, says Bank of England. They're dragging their feet. They're waiting. They're waiting. They're waiting. They're just waiting it out. You do not have to wait it out. It's time to get savage. Get that Death Star on them. How cryptocurrencies could offer independence from banks. So yeah, this shows the volatility from 20% in less than 90 minutes. So it went from 11,000 to 9,000 in less than 90 minutes. And that's due to a lot of factors, but mostly the exchanges were crashing. It was too much. And that's why I might open up my own exchange. I got a few people I'm talking to, but the people can't get to Bitcoin fast enough. Most of the major exchanges crashed. People saw Bitcoin rising. They was like, I want in. And they just couldn't handle, everyone trying to get Bitcoin. So let's go to, let me see, coin market cap. What does that mean? That means the demand is so high right now. It is so high. You got 317 billion. Was this a little ad behind my face? All right, get that out of here. So 317 billion. That's compared to what, 15 trillion? It's extremely small. So there needs to be a place where people can go get Bitcoin fast. That is, if you can solve that problem, you are an instant billionaire. Moving on. All right, so right now everything is in the green. Bitcoin Cash up 16%. Now, yesterday everything was in the red. When things are in the red, they are on sale. You need to buy them at the lowest. You see that dip. See that dip from BitConnect? Where's Dash at? I love Dash. Dash is $782 right now. I love Dash. So yeah, whenever things are in a negative, you want to buy them. Even if you already have some, don't panic. Now, when things are in positive, you can sell and take profit. That's why it's good to take profits, so you don't have to panic when they go down. When they're up, take a little profit. Hopefully you get your initial investment out, take profit out, and then if it goes down in the red, buy some more. Especially if it goes lower than what you already bought it for. When things are down in the red, buy. Red means sell. Red is good. Einsteinium. Up to 60 cents. Alright, I'm going to tell everyone watching this video, be on the lookout for Einsteinium. EMC2. I told a few people about this, that's a member. Guy Tom out here, Mike over on the East Coast. What up, Mike? I told him, I didn't tell him. See, I told my friend about Potcoin when it was 6 cents, but I didn't catch EMC when it's 6 cents. I caught EMC when it was 14 cents. And even myself, I made a profit, but then I sold it. See, look at this. It went up to 50 cents. I sold it. It dropped back down, and then it went up again. So I recommend getting these coins and holding them for the long run. Einsteinium, from what I see, looks like a long-term coin. Bam, 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 bam. Go to, I'm on coinmarketcap.com. Go to the website. Look at the rank. Look at the volume. Go check them out. Check them out. See what's going on with that project. All right. So I want to show you a few things today. Oh, you just wanted to let you know. So Bitcoin is accepted by PayPal, Dish Network, Dell, Overstock.com, Galactic, was that Virgin Galactic, and Expedia, and a few other things. And pretty soon, let's get Amazon on some Bitcoin. All right. Once again, this platform, EXPERTY, I want to do actually a solo video on this. But what is needed is education, and this is a proof of caring. So you can come here, upload, how you care about their platform. I'm doing this because I definitely care about teachers, consultants, advisors, being well trained and just learning more about the crypto space. So that's what EXPERTY is about. It's about the space where instructors can come together, use their platform. It's like a mobile platform, a web platform, and people can find you, they can hire you, they can ask you questions, they can consult through the EXPERTY platform. So you can come here, they want you to show how you care, write a blog post, share a Twitter post, just write something that shows you have interest. This is what I'm doing, and you can check it out. EXPERTY.com. All right, so let's keep it moving on. Let's talk. Fed spokesman warns against. Who was the Fed spokesman? Somebody standing outside the Federal Reserve Bank. Suggest banks as a solution. Really? Come on. Let's get out of there. All right, let's get out of there too. All right, a few platforms before I go. Rufio is launching now their coins. Now, actually, you can come on here and get free coins. It's another lending platform. You can do their Twitter, Facebook. Sign up. Go over to Bitcoin Talk and sign up. And you must leave valuable comments. Do not leave one-word comments. They will delete your account. But yeah, Bitcoin Talk is where it all started. Go check out bitcointalk.org, I believe. Bitcointalk.com. Write a minimum of 15 posts per week. Yeah, so you just, Bitcoin Talk, you go in there, you write. It's a community. Oh, let's go to GitHub. Yeah, let's go to GitHub. How many of you heard of GitHub? GitHub, this is where you can go to find out all the smart contracts, the math, look at this. You got safe math. And that's key right there. You need this safe math. If you're going to write a code, if you're going to create an ICO, if you're going to create anything, you need this, put this safe math into your program. Title safe math function, unidentified integer 256, enter pure returns. Let me see assert function. This function, what it does, turn a pure return. So you want pure returns. You don't want, abstract or arbitrary numbers. Solidity automatically throws when dividing by 0. So this is what is this, Java or C++? Like, this programming stuff is pretty simple. You see, once you know what to do, it's simple. Let me go back. But yeah, really, you have all of these folders. Open Zeppelin. So they created Zeppelin to help with, the math and the ERC20 tokens. So most of the ERC20 tokens built on the Ethereum platform, they need some tweaking. You can make your code, but you got to hear the contracts. You got to tweak what's going on. So GitHub, you can find all of this at GitHub. You can see what people are doing. My token, look at this. You can see what they're doing. You can get tips and hints. This is not rocket. I mean, it may be rocket science, but it's simple rocket science, I think. Just turn on your genius. Turn on that inner genius. Let me see. Test. Let's go. SRC, CSS, fonts, sans. So they're showing you common fonts. Let's see what's in there. Buttons. Yeah, listen, they're showing you what they're doing. How, and it's just a community of creators. All right, real quick, we're going to go over to Stinium. So Stinium right now is 15 cents. That is amazing. Go check out Stinium. You can get minimum 50 Stiniums. And this is another investing platform. A lot of people are buying 50, or 500 for 15 cents. Then you have Hot Crypto. I'm going to put these links below. Happening in 13 days. You got Unix Coin. Happening in 24 days. I'm going to be doing that too. You have Amigo Coin. Right now it's 40 cents. I'm testing all of these out. Idea Coin, invite only. Ethereum Cash. This one says lawyer backed. Let's try that out. And yeah, so check them out. I'm testing all these out, $50, $100, just testing them out. ETH Connect is happening now. Let's stay savage, stay woke. Mark your crypto.